This is Princeton cutting the tomatoes and the onions that we're going to be blending, or he's going to be blending it so we can make stew. Say hi, Princeton.
Hi.
You have to wash the onions too. Just hold the other one. Yeah, just use that one. No.
I want it automatic, but why is it so light? I don't remember it being that light.
Because you didn't put this thing. The red pepper is not there yet. It's only the tomatoes. Okay, turn on the stove. Pour a little bit of cooking oil so it won't bubble. Pull more, pull. That's okay. When you pour, don't pour everything so you don't keep adding water all the time. Put more, put more. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. It's not blending that is the problem, it's the cooking of the food. That's where the problem is.
Done.
You're gonna be cooking. You think I'm gonna be the one to cook it for you?
You said just blend.
Can you rinse the thing a little bit, the blender a little bit, and pour the water in the pot? That's okay. Just yeah, like that. Okay. And please do clean up. Thank you, sir. The things that women go through in the kitchen.